Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I colored my hair using this new brand that I saw at Sally's called Lome Paris. I'm not 100% sure that's how you actually pronounce this, but it's better than what I thought it said. I thought it said Love Paris. It says not. But anyways, this is in the shade black. They do not have a blue black, but they have a ton of other shades. They have about like 30, ranging from black to brown to blonde to red to violets, but no blue black. This color is amazing. So you basically get 2 bottles in one, and it's a super thick consistency, so you need to use it sparingly. I had done my whole entire head, root to tip, and only had like a little bit left over. But I have super thick hair. Even though it's short, it's super thick. So I did have extra, and I always put that on my ends and make sure that my ends are super saturated, because the first thing I always do is make sure that my roots are super saturated and covered before I do anything else. And whatever's left over goes right to my ends. And usually I like to massage that throughout the whole head if I have a lot left over. But anyways, you might need 2 if you have longer hair than me and thicker hair than me as well. So this is a thick formula, so you do need to do it sparingly. It does not have a super harsh chemical scent, so you can use it in a small bathroom with like 0 ventilation if you don't have like a fan in there or a window. It just smells like, it kind of smells like clay, but it also has like a floral scent too, but very light. So it's not like overpowering, and it won't choke you out with like really bad scent. This hair color does have PPD in it, but surprisingly, it does not irritate my scalp whatsoever. Usually with colors, once I do like my whole entire head, like around it, by the time I start going into like the top layer of putting the color on, my head will start getting irritated immediately. But this did not do that, and I'm actually pretty shocked because it does have PPD in it and it did nothing. So that is a big plus. It stains a little bit. I dripped it on my forehead, and like this was like 3 washes, and it's starting to come off, and it's covered up with makeup too, but probably by tonight a few more washes and it'll be gone. So it's not terrible. It didn't stain my tub or anything. I mean, I did have to give it a good clean, but nothing crazy. And my hair feels amazing. Like, I wore gloves to shampoo my hair out so that I wouldn't get my nails all blue or black or like stained or anything. And usually when I wear gloves to wash my color out, my hair, like I can't run my fingers through my hair with gloves on. This shocked me, and I was able to. No running, like my fingers and the gloves did not get stuck in my hair. I was able to just do this with gloves on, with wet hair. And that shocked me. So once I got the color out and I shampooed my hair and did not have any issues, I took my gloves off to put the conditioner on. My hair was so freaking soft. Like, I was shocked. I was blown away. And I was just like, my hair feels better than it did before I started coloring. Like, that just blew me away. And then once I started blow drying my hair, I always blow dry my hair and then flat iron it. I didn't even need to flat iron my hair. My hair always gets like super frizzy, and it doesn't matter. Like, I can use like a sleek and smooth shampoo and stuff, but my hair still gets frizzy where I have to flat iron it. I mean, I don't have to do it like a crazy amount, but like usually I have to like once over my hair just to get it like nice and smooth. I only had to do the ends with a flat iron. Like, this is what it looks like, just blow dried. What did they use to make my hair do this? Because I can't even get a shampoo to do this. And this is coming straight from a color. That blew me away. I was shocked. Like, all I did was with my flat iron was only like just the ends, just to get my ends to do this. This isn't even on. But like, that's all. I didn't even need to do any like retouching or anything. Like, my hair, this is amazing. Like, I was shocked. Like, this never happens after I color my hair. Usually my hair either gets a little dry and it needs like a really good hair mask afterwards. Which, like, if I'm not doing it for like a review or and I'm filming it, I always, after a hair color, do a hair mask. And I won't ever need to using this color. Like, I bought 2 bottles of these thinking I would need 2. And like, if I use it, when I use this again, I'm not going to need to use a hair mask. Like, I usually need to use a hair mask after like every chemical service, just to like make sure that my hair has all the moisture and it needs after chemical processing, and I don't need that. Like, that blew me away. And my hair, look how dark and silky smooth, and like, I can run my fingers through my hair with no knots or tangles. Like, I can go like this and nothing. Like, that is amazing. Like, that's a really good quality hair color right there. And to top it off, I looked on Sally's and it's on sale for $2.50. If they had black in stock, I'm pretty sure I would buy like 4 of these. But they don't. It's out of stock. And I really wish that they had a blue black, because that would be icing on the cake. Like, if they could make it this dark, like, I kind of see a little hint of blue, but maybe that's just the lighting. But this is just straight up black, and it is so stinking dark. It covered up all my whites, and it's just is such a beautiful color. I am going to throw in a picture that shows my before, like before I colored my hair, because I keep getting asked if what my starting color is, like with my regrowth, and what my natural color is. So I'm going to start doing that. That'll be like my first picture, so you can see what it looks like before I color it. And I don't go crazy long without coloring my hair. Like, I basically will have like at least an inch or 2 of new growth, and it's dark brown with lots of white hair. So that's what I start off with. The pictures don't really show it very well, so I've never really like taken the time to show a picture or like even get up close when my hair is not done or before I do it, because it just doesn't capture it as well. Not like I really want to go prancing around saying, look at all my white hair, but it gives you an idea of like my starting color to the finished color. And that's one thing that I normally look for while I'm watching videos on hair color, to see if it's even worth it. But my hair is naturally a dark brown, with lots of white and gray. And I like to look for colors that like stick to my hair, especially on my whites. And because I have like a ton of whites up here, and it definitely has covered it really, really well. So I'm hoping that it doesn't wash out right away, because there's some colors that just wash right off of white and gray hair like after a couple washes, and then there's some that just don't hold a color whatsoever. So we will see if this color is amazing as what it's done so far, and it holds onto the white and does not like fade off, and it lasts like a good month, this color will be so worth it. It is so beautiful. It's done such a great job on my hair already. I have nothing bad to say about it. It's great. I mean, it does stain your skin, but a few washes will come off. But my hair looks and feels amazing. It's so dark. It's so worth it. Like I said, it's on sale right now. I just checked this morning because I wanted to make sure I got the right the right way of saying it for the name. And I probably jacked that up still. But yes, it's on sale. And my hair looks and feels amazing, and it's super dark. So unfortunately, since I've never used this brand before, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but we will see. So yeah, I have nothing else bad to say. I have nothing bad to say about this color whatsoever, but I don't think I have anything else to talk about it. I mean, it basically speaks for itself. Like, look at the results. Yeah, if there's any other colors out there that are blue black or black, any color black that I have not done or you would like to see me do, I will definitely put that on my list to look for it and try it out and give you guys a review of what I think of it. If it's super new, it's gonna be a while before I can find it because there's still some that are on my list that I have not been able to find as of yet, and that's just gonna be on my list until I can get my hands on it. Especially in the US, like I think everything comes out first in the UK and then it comes to the US. Not 100% sure about that, but yes, I will definitely try my best to find it and buy it and try it for you. I'm just not going to do any crazy colors. I'm not bleaching my hair to do hot pink. It's just going to be strictly black or blue blacks. So leave all of your suggestions below, and yeah, don't forget to like this video, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel so you can see more future videos from me. All right, guys, have a great day.